Every founder dreams of being featured in top-tier outlets: Forbes, CNBC, Business Insider. But here's the reality: the best coverage isn't bought, it's earned. Earned media is the foundation of professional PR. It's when journalists, editors, or producers choose to cover your story because it's valuable to their audience, not because you paid for it. There's a difference between buying attention and earning authority. When someone sees you featured organically, their perception changes instantly. They think, if the media is talking about this company, it must be credible. That credibility turns into trust, and trust drives growth. So how do you actually get earned coverage without paying for it? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Understand what journalists want. Journalists aren't looking for ads. They're looking for stories that inform, inspire, or educate their audience. If your pitch reads like a commercial, it's deleted within seconds. Ask yourself, what problem am I helping their readers understand or solve? What's new, different, or unexpected about my story? Why now? The best pitches connect to current trends or conversations already happening in the news. For example, if you're in healthcare, tie your story to a recent study, regulation, or seasonal trend. In tech, link it to innovation, privacy, or AI. You don't have to force relevance, just connect your expertise to the larger conversation. Step 2. Build your target media list. Earned media is all about precision. Most DIY attempts fail because people send one generic email to hundreds of journalists, the spray and pray approach. Instead, create a focused list of 10 to 20 journalists who already cover your topic. Use tools like Google News, LinkedIn, or X, formerly Twitter, to find writers publishing stories related to your niche. Read 2 or 3 of their recent articles. Notice their tone, format, and preferred angles. If your story doesn't fit their beat, don't pitch to them. At Otter PR, we start every campaign with a refined journalist list based on coverage patterns, tone, and audience alignment. Because when your story fits their world, it feels natural for them to cover it. Step 3. Craft a 3-paragraph pitch. The 3-paragraph pitch is one of the simplest and most effective frameworks in PR. Paragraph 1. The hook. Start strong. Give a reason to care in 1 sentence. Tie your story to a trend, statistic, or timely issue. Example: as small businesses face record high ad costs, one founder discovered a way to replace paid ads with earned media exposure. Paragraph 2. The value. Explain what makes this story relevant. Who does it help? What's the insight or takeaway? This is where you position yourself as the credible expert, not a salesperson. Paragraph 3. The offer. End with the simple call to action. Offer to share insights, data, or commentary. Make it easy for them to say yes. Example: happy to share more details or connect for a quick quote if you're covering this trend. Keep it under 200 words. The goal is clarity, not volume. Step 4. Timing and follow-up. Even the best pitch can fail if the timing is off. Send your pitch early in the week, ideally Monday or Tuesday morning when inboxes are fresh. Avoid Friday afternoons and holidays. If you don't hear back, wait 3 to 4 business days before following up. Keep the follow-up short, 1 or 2 sentences. Example: just wanted to make sure this didn't get buried. Happy to provide more info or commentary. Never send more than 2 follow-ups. Persistence is good, pestering is not. Remember, relationships are built on respect, not repetition. At Otter PR, we've found that the best follow-ups are value-driven, offering an update stat, quote, or new angle. That gives journalists a reason to re-engage. Step 5. Build relationships, not transactions. This is where most founders fall short. They think PR is about one-off wins. But real visibility comes from building long-term relationships with journalists. When you respond quickly, provide great insights, and respect deadlines, you become a trusted source. That means next time they need an expert, they'll reach out to you. PR is cumulative. One article builds on the next, expanding your authority and online footprint. That's how small brands become industry leaders. Step 6. Track and amplify your wins. Getting the feature is only half the job. Once coverage goes live, document it. Save the link, screenshot the headline and add it to your press kit or website's As Seen In section. Then repurpose it. Share it on LinkedIn, in your newsletter, and across your paid channels. Earned coverage makes every marketing effort work harder, because it gives everything you do instant credibility. When auto PR clients get a feature, we immediately activate a 48-hour amplification plan, distributing the story through social, email, and ad retargeting to multiply exposure. That's how you turn one feature into a flood of inbound opportunities. To sum it up, earned media isn't about luck, it's about alignment, preparation, and persistence. You earn coverage by telling stories people care about, building real journalist relationships, and following through with credibility and respect. When you master these steps, you don't need to chase attention, the media starts chasing you. In the next video, we'll break down press releases and newswire distribution.